I'm ready to install. Just kidding, I'm not, because I realized there were no studs. So you started a project, you're getting ready to drill into the drywall, and you can't find any studs. What do you do? It's toggle bolt time. I used to hate these because I couldn't figure out the hole situation. Now I love them. So let me show you quickly and easily how to make them work without putting a million holes in your wall. And keep your shit secure. Step one is this is the piece that I want to secure into the wall. I put where I want my toggle bolt to be. I mark it on the wood. Only use toggle bolts when you are going into drywall. Do not when you go into a stud. And by a stud, I mean wood. We're gonna have two holes here. One into the wood itself. Because I want this to slide into my first hole easily, I need to make sure that my drill bit is slightly bigger than it. Because if it's the same size, like this one is, it's not gonna tighten properly. And then the size for the toggle bolt itself when it's fit in. Because if you see this, if I try to fit that into that hole, it's not going to work. This is going to give me just a little bit more room. And so in my case, I'm using a 3/16 toggle bolt. So I'm using 5/8 to drill the hole into the wall. Step one though, is we're going to drill this hole through the places we've marked on the wood. We are going to drill it through the wood and into the wall. So that way our piece lines up where we want to find it. Because everything is currently lined up, before I move this to do the next hole, I'm just going to tack. See? Good. Slides in nice and easy. That's what you want with this part. Now comes the scary or the fun part, depending how you look at it. So we're just going to move this guy back and out of my way. I have moved him back before the camera fell. I have switched my drill bit over to the 5/8. I'm going to come in perpendicular to the hole I made in the wall. Okay, turn it off. And that's it. And I'm going to do that for every one of my holes. In order to properly install your toggle bolt, you need to take off the toggle from the bolt. And when you put it back on eventually, it's going to be just righty-tighty and just a little bit. You want it facing so it's this way. So when it pulls against the drywall, it's holding firm. If you do it this way, which it will go, after you put it through the hole, when you start pulling it against, it's just going to boop, pop right out of that hole. Next step I'm going to do is I'm going to put all of my bolts in each one of my holes and then screw the toggle on the other side. Slider through the hole. And if you're ever not sure, just pull against it, right? And spin the toggle on righty-tighty. You want to see the nub just a little bit. So even though I've done all my holes, the first thing I always try to do is to make sure my holes are big enough. I should have done them all the same, but I've had it happen where something gets stuck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this, but I'm going to keep my fingers on here so it doesn't get lost into the hole, because that would suck. So all I'm doing is, okay, good. That one goes in. I'm going to line up my toggles on the back wall. I'm not going to put anything in just yet. I'm just going to get ready to. My toggles are long enough. I've learned from past lessons it's better to do it this way. So my side ones are the most difficult, so I'll do those last. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting the toggle in. It's not to the wall. So all my back ones are almost shoved into the wall. Now I can start moving them a little bit so I can get these guys and line up with the wall. Whoop, that guy's in. And for this, I have it lined up so it's going to be even. Okay. There. Now that they're pushed into the wall and the wood is against it, now it's time to screw it in. This is important. Make sure you're rotating clockwise, because if you try to tighten this and it goes anti-clockwise, you're going to lose the thing in the wall, it's going to be a huge pain in the ass. So it's kind of like those safety checks they do, like on the Japanese trains. I'm like, righty tighty, we're good. All right. So all I'm going to do now is start to tighten. You can hear it starting to naturally tighten. And if it's not, one of the things you can do is pull it up so that way it's catching. And then you pull it against your finger like this. Now I know it's tightening. Nice and tight. One. Just have my nail against it. As it starts to get close, I'm going to pull my nail away. It's nice and tight to the righty tighty. Now you can install your own toggle bolts confidently. I hope this video helps because now she's not going anywhere. Nice and secure.